Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 7 motorcycles you'll instantly regret buying. Number 7, BMW R18. The BMW R18 commands attention with its classic cruiser design, but owning one can become more frustrating than rewarding. With a price tag around $21,500, it sits at the high end of the cruiser market, and maintenance costs only add to the financial burden. Replacement parts are expensive and often need to be ordered directly from BMW, which can delay repairs. Under the exterior, the R18 features a massive boxer twin engine with 1,800 centimeters, designed for smooth and powerful cruising. While performance is impressive on open roads, it can feel cumbersome in city traffic, and vibration at lower speeds is noticeable. Some owners report minor oil leaks and electronic glitches in the first few thousand miles, which can be costly to fix at BMW service centers. Routine maintenance, such as valve adjustments and belt checks, is expensive, and the bike's large size adds difficulty to handling in tight spaces. Depreciation is steep and resale value often falls faster than expected, especially for bikes with aftermarket modifications. Overall, the BMW R18 impresses with design and performance, but the combination of a high purchase price, ongoing maintenance, and reliability concerns makes it a motorcycle that many owners regret buying. Number 6, Harley-Davidson Street 500. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 looks approachable and entry-level, but owning one often leads to disappointment. With a price tag around $7,900, it seems affordable for a Harley, yet maintenance costs and parts availability quickly add up. Dealers may charge premium prices for even basic components, and insurance averages around $600 to $800 per year. Depreciation is steep, making it a poor long-term investment compared to similarly priced competitors. The Street 500 is powered by a liquid-cooled Revolution 15 twin engine with 500 cm. While it is designed for city riding, riders report inconsistent throttle response and vibrations at lower RPMs. Some owners experience minor electrical and fuel injection issues within the first few thousand miles, which can be costly to repair at a Harley dealership. Reliability is a concern, particularly for the electronics and engine sensors. Comfort for longer rides is limited due to the stiff seat and narrow ergonomics. Overall, the Harley-Davidson Street 500 offers Harley branding and style, but the combination of moderate performance, high maintenance costs, and rapid depreciation makes it a motorcycle that many owners quickly regret buying. Number 5, Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 has classic styling that draws attention, but owning one comes with several practical drawbacks. With a price tag around $6,800, it is positioned as a budget-friendly midsize bike, yet maintenance and repair costs can erode that initial appeal. Parts availability in the United States is limited, often requiring shipments from overseas, which can delay fixes. Under the exterior, the Shotgun 650 comes with a parallel twin engine of 650 cm. While the engine provides decent power for casual riding, it is prone to vibration and occasional overheating during extended trips. Fuel efficiency averages around 40 meters per gallon, but riders often experience lower numbers when commuting or riding aggressively. Early reports also highlight minor oil leaks and occasional clutch or gear issues, which can be costly to repair due to specialized parts. Routine maintenance, including valve adjustments and chain upkeep, is frequent and more expensive than similarly sized Japanese or European bikes. Comfort and ergonomics are adequate for short rides, but the seat and suspension can become tiring on long trips. Overall, the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 offers a visually appealing design and classic feel, but the combination of maintenance headaches, moderate reliability, and limited resale value makes it a motorcycle that many quickly regret buying. Number 4, Triumph Rocket 3. The Triumph Rocket 3 is one of the most powerful cruisers available, but owning one can quickly become overwhelming. With a price tag around $24,000, it is a major investment and maintenance costs only add to the burden. Replacement parts are expensive and often require ordering directly from Triumph, which can delay repairs. Under the exterior, the Rocket 3 features a massive 3-cylinder engine with 2,250 centimeters, delivering immense torque and acceleration. While impressive on open roads, this power makes it difficult to manage in traffic or urban environments. Fuel efficiency averages around 32 meters per gallon, and the bike's size and weight make it cumbersome for daily use. Owners have also reported minor oil leaks and electronic glitches within the first few thousand miles, which can be expensive to fix at a Triumph service center. Depreciation is significant and resale value often falls faster than expected, particularly for bikes with aftermarket modifications or high mileage. Overall, the Triumph Rocket 3 impresses with sheer power and design, but the combination of a high purchase price, expensive upkeep, and challenging handling makes it a motorcycle that many owners regret buying. Number 3. Indian Scout 60. The Indian Scout 60 carries the classic cruiser look, but ownership comes with hidden costs and frustrations. With a price tag around $10,000, it is relatively affordable for a mid-size cruiser, yet maintenance and spare parts can quickly add up. Dealer visits are often necessary for even minor repairs, and parts availability outside major cities can be limited. Powering the Scout 60 is a liquid-cooled VWIN engine with 600 centimeters. While it provides smooth performance for casual cruising, some riders report vibration issues at lower speeds and minor throttle inconsistencies in city traffic. Early owners also note occasional electrical glitches and minor oil leaks that require dealer attention. Depreciation is steep and resale value often falls faster than expected, making it a poor choice for anyone planning to upgrade or sell in a few years. Comfort is moderate for longer rides. While the seat is adequately padded, the forward set foot controls and handlebar position can cause fatigue during extended trips. Overall, the Indian Scout 60 offers style and brand prestige, but the combination of moderate performance, high maintenance costs, and rapid depreciation makes it a motorcycle that many owners quickly regret buying. Number 2. Yamaha MT9. The Yamaha MT9 is marketed as a sporty and versatile naked bike, but owning one can bring more headaches than thrills. With a price tag around $9,500, it is reasonably priced for a performance-oriented bike, yet maintenance and repair costs can quickly add up. Replacement parts, especially for electronics and suspension components, are relatively expensive, and dealer visits are often required for issues that could be simpler on other bikes. Under the exterior, the MT9 features an inline 3-cylinder engine with 850 centimeters, designed for aggressive acceleration and nimble handling. While it delivers exhilarating performance on twisty roads, some owners report issues with engine smoothness at lower speeds and minor throttle snatchiness. Occasional electronic glitches and sensor warnings have been reported in the first few thousand miles, which can be costly to fix at authorized dealerships. Reliability is mixed, with electronics being the most common source of trouble. Routine maintenance, including valve adjustments and chain upkeep, is frequent and can be expensive compared to similarly sized Japanese bikes. Overall, the Yamaha MT9 offers strong performance and sporty styling, but the combination of moderate reliability, maintenance costs, and limited long-distance comfort makes it a motorcycle that many owners quickly regret buying. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Sportster S. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S promises a high-performance experience, but owning one can quickly become a source of frustration. With a price tag around $13,900, it is a significant investment for a mid-size cruiser, yet maintenance costs and parts availability add to the financial burden. Dealer visits are often required for even minor repairs, and some specialized components can take weeks to source. Under the exterior, the Sportster S features a liquid-cooled Revolution Max VWIN engine with 122 cubic in of displacement. While it delivers strong acceleration and power on open roads, the engine can be challenging to manage at lower speeds and in city traffic. Some owners report minor oil leaks, sensor issues, and electronic glitches within the first few thousand miles, which can be costly to repair at Harley dealerships. Reliability is inconsistent, especially with electronics and engine sensors. Depreciation is steep and resale value drops quickly, particularly for bikes with aftermarket modifications or high mileage. Overall, the Harley-Davidson Sportster S combines brand appeal and performance, but the high purchase price, ongoing maintenance, and reliability concerns make it a motorcycle that many owners quickly regret buying. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.